Hi there, I'm Satoshi Nakamoto, and welcome to CryptoXperts. Today, I am going to take a journey back in time to explore when cryptocurrency started. But before I begin, let me introduce myself and this channel. I'm an expert in the field of cryptocurrency, and CryptoXperts will help people understand the benefits of this revolutionary digital currency. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. And if you find this video informative, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Link of the previous videos are given below. Now, let's talk about the history of cryptocurrency. It all started by me. I was a mysterious figure who wanted to create a digital currency that would allow people to make transactions without the need for a central authority, like a bank or government. In 2009, I launched Bitcoin, which is the first cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin is based on a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all transactions on the network. This means that everyone on the network can see every transaction that has ever taken place. Bitcoin quickly became popular, and people started creating their own cryptocurrencies. Today, there are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies in the world, and they are used for everything from buying coffee to making international money transfers. So, why should you care about cryptocurrency? Well, for one thing, it's decentralized. This means that no one can control it, making it much more secure than traditional currencies that can be manipulated by governments and banks. Cryptocurrency transactions are also faster and cheaper than traditional transactions. You can send money to anyone in the world in just a few minutes, and the fees are much lower than what you would pay with a bank. Finally, cryptocurrency is a great investment opportunity. Many people have made millions of dollars by investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you're interested in joining the cryptocurrency revolution, I encourage you to subscribe to CryptoXperts and learn more about this exciting new technology. And if you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, feel free to contact CryptoXperts for more information. Thank you for watching this video and learning about the history of cryptocurrency. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And remember, stay excited about the future of cryptocurrency. See you in the next one.